Me again with part three of the Amish space heater hack, accompanied by my able friend or my able assistant Einstein behind me. She's busily preparing herself for the next job, looks like. So let's go ahead and get the better view of this thing. Where the heck is it? Wait a minute. Okay, okay. Well, I'm appropriately enough dressed in jammies because it's bedtime, and this would be a great time to check out the finished hack on the space heater since it's going to be coming into the bedroom with me. So, as I mentioned before, I removed the digital control stuff. Wired it just like an old-fashioned space heater without any electronics involved, and so let's go ahead and turn her on. I just got a couple of toggle switches up here. Home Depot had 8 amp switches and 20 amp switches. I went with the 20 amp because after the Ohm's law calculation, it was determined that 1500 watts divided by 120 volts, which is my actual line voltage, comes out to 12 and a half amps. So I went 20 amp switches in there. So let's turn her on. And the very first air that comes out is heated. Uh, there is not one molecule of cool air that comes out of this thing when it's first turned on. The element is activated immediately. The flames come up immediately. Everything is just so much easier, less complicated, and it actually works better because there's not nearly as much to break down. So let's kick in the second element, and my lights dimmed momentarily, so I know that second element kicked in, and oh yeah, it's much hotter now. So, needless to say, this is reassembled into the wood cabinet, which is actually a pretty nice cabinet. But to use the word handcrafted really is almost laughable because there's no hand carving or anything. But anyway, really nice heater. My absolute favorite space heater, and now I've got one that doesn't have all the complication and potential breakdown of the modern electronics. So, and just as a side note, you hobbyists out there who are saying, "Well, wait a minute, you made your calculation based on DC theory." I am aware of that, and we went with the 20 amp switch, which gives us an extra 7.5 amps of safety margin for the possible 50th of an amp I may be off by using DC theory for my calculation. So, okay, the heater's working. I'm ready for bed. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching.